Okay, so we are discussing about basics of AutoCAD, right? So till now we have discussed about title bar, menu bar, ribbon, draw toolbar, modify toolbar, uses icon, command area. So here at the bottom of the command area, here you can see the status bar. In the status bar, some significant special uh, toolbars having some significance are showing here. Okay. With time to time, we're going to explain all these to you also. For now, you can see in the left side of your status toolbar, some digits are reflecting. Okay, so you can see some data are reflecting, right? So these data are basically represent the coordinate of different point. And if you can see closely, whenever I move my cursor or crosshair in the drawing area, this data, these digits are changing. Okay, can you see? Yeah. So that means if I um, fix here in this point, some data are fixed now. That means the first digit is basically representing the x coordinate. Second digits is representing the y coordinate, and the third one is representing the z coordinate. And since we are uh, we have fixed this drawing in 2 dimensions. So the third axis or third coordinate, that is your z axis, um, is fixed at 0 because we are drawing in xy plane. Whatever diagram that we are going to draw, that particular drawing is in this plane, which is xy plane, right? So in that case, your the z axis, which is perpendicular to this plane, is always fixed at 0. Okay, since we are not changing anything in z axis, right? That's why this z coordinate is showing as 0 0. Okay, so these are basically a coordinate, right? So with this, we have learned about what is your absolute coordinate system, okay, and absolute relative coordinate system, and what is relative polar coordinate system. Okay, so using this coordinate system, we can draw a two-dimensional drawing in AutoCAD. Correct. So let's go directly to the toolbar that we have learned till now. So we have started with this line command, right? So to draw anything, first of all, you have to take the line command. So I'm clicking on the line command, right? So, okay, before that, I forgot to tell you something before that. So before drawing anything in AutoCAD, first thing you have to do, it is your formatting. Okay, you have to do the formatting. So formatting of a particular your drawing area in AutoCAD software is mainly depend on the particular drawing that you are going to draw. Okay, so I think whenever you want to draw anything in AutoCAD, of course you have a drawing in your mind or in a sheet of paper, okay, or drawing hard copy will be there. Okay, so based on the drawing, you have to fix your format. You have to go for formatting in AutoCAD, like units formatting or coordinate axis formatting, all these things. Basically, the most important is your unit formatting. Okay, suppose your drawing is in your meter, or you can say, suppose you want to draw anything in meter. In that case, you have to fix your unit in meter. Suppose the drawing that you are asked to draw in AutoCAD, it is in millimeter. That means you have to draw the drawing in millimeter. So you have to fix your unit in millimeter before starting any drawing. Okay. If you forget about that, it will destroy all your hard work. Okay. Anyway, so let's go for formatting. And for formatting, you have to go this format. Okay. Wait. you have to go in the format, right? Yeah, okay, yeah. So you have to go here. In the menu bar, there is a menu that is named as format. You have to click on this format. Now you can see in the format that in the drop down menu, you can see unit is reflecting here. Okay, so you have to click on this unit. Then from there, you can have a different type of length. That means length means the length of the line. You can make in a different formatting. Okay, for architecture, there is architectural formatting like that. Okay, for now, in general, we can go for decimal and precision. You can also keep this precision based on your AutoCAD drawing. Okay, so I'm clicking on this precision and the unit, the scale, and fixing suppose at centimeter for now. Okay, and this thing keep it like this as it is. And after fixing this, you can click on OK. Okay. So whatever way I'm going to draw, it will come in centimeter. Okay. Suppose I want to draw anything. Suppose I want to draw a 10 centimeter line. Okay. So suppose how to draw a 10 centimeter line? You have to click on this line command. Then what is in the line command it is showing specify first point, right? So here it is not definite point, so I'm clicking on anywhere and click at this point. Okay. Now whenever I start the line command, so a line is showing here with two important information: length of the line and angle of the line with the horizontal. Okay. What is the use of precision? I'm telling you. Wait. So before that, let me first finish this. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, to draw any line, you need two information basically: the length of the line and the inclination of the line with the horizontal. Fine. Okay. So suppose I want to draw a 10 centimeter horizontal line. Fine. So if I want to draw horizontal line, that means the line, the inclination of the line with the horizontal must be zero mathematically, right? And length is suppose 10 centimeter, correct? So first of all, I have to give the length of the line. So let's first type from a keyboard, type 10. Then suppose length is okay. Then now I have to give the angle or inclination of the line with the horizontal. Before that, I have to lock the length of the line. So I have to click in the tab button in my keyboard and click on tab. Whenever I click on the tab, the length of the line is locked. Okay. Now after that, I have to give the angle. Okay. The angle is what? Since we are asked to draw a 10 centimeter horizontal line, the angle is 0. So I click on 0 and then enter. And to come out of the line command, right click and enter. See, the line is very small. So just using your scroller or roller in your mouse, just roll it in upward direction, so the line will come. Okay. To check the dimension of this, the length of the line, so to click on this dimension command. Then I have to click on linear, click on this endpoint, click this. Then okay. So since you have already fixed it, the unit in millimeter centimeter, it will be your 10 centimeter. Correct? Okay, wait a second. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so this is the way of drawing this line. There is another way of drawing this horizontal or vertical line. Okay? So anyway, before that, let's draw again one line. Suppose I want to draw this vertical line. Okay, so for that, I have to go again in the line command. Starting point, the first point I am clicking on here, and I have to move in this direction. Suppose same 10 centimeter I have to draw. The length of the line is 10 centimeter. Then I have to enter tab. Then the angle or inclination of this line from the horizontal is 90 degree. So I'm clicking on 90 is 90 and enter. Okay. And right click, then enter to come out of the system. So this is the one way of drawing this line. Suppose I want to draw a line of 10 centimeter having an angle of 45 degree from horizontal. For that, I have to go in the line command. I have already clicked on this line command. Then first point is taking as here, and the length of the line is supposed 10 centimeter again. Then tab. Then angle is supposed 45. Then click enter and again right click enter. So here line having angle 45 for the horizontal. To check it, so I have to go in the dimension command to find out the angular dimension. So I click on this angular, then select the line. So I'm clicking on this line and this line. So see, the angle between these two lines is 45 degree. Okay. Okay. So this is a way of drawing line. Another way of drawing line is using the ortho mode, which is in the status bar. Okay. So right now, this is the third one. This is the ortho toolbar. This is a status toolbar, which is in the status bar. Okay. And using this ortho mode, we can draw any line in perpendicular direction, that is x minus x, y, or negative y direction. Okay. So if I click in the line command and if I click on this ortho mode on, now see the blue color is highlighted in the ortho mode. And suppose I want to click here. From this, if I move any direction, I cannot move my cursor, or I cannot draw a line in different angle. Only I am allowed to draw this line in 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 360. Okay, so other angles are restricted if your ortho mode is fine. Okay, so suppose the same drawing I want to draw here. Okay, I have clicked on this starting point, then the length of the line 10 centimeter, and we don't need to give the angle because by default with the direction of your cursor the angle is fixed. So just I need to give enter. So this line is fixed. Okay. To come out of the system, just right click. Okay, same way again go in the line command. Suppose you want to draw a line in vertical direction, click on this, just type 10 centimeter and enter. Okay, and right click, enter or escape, or just simply click on enter from your keyboard. You can come out of the uh, toolbar. Now suppose I want to move my this drawing in this part. Suppose I want to move this uh, drawing in the side. Okay, how to do? Just you have to go in the modify tool, go in the move. You can see move tool. Whenever I click on the move toolbar, what is asking in this command bar? Select object. I have to select the object. This is and this is. Okay, then right click. Now your object is selected. Now to move your drawing, you have to pick the drawing from one point. From where you want to pick the drawing. You can choose from your point of view. Okay, suppose I'm clicking here, then with this I can move anywhere. But since the auto mode is on, I cannot. I only I'm only able to move this drawing in positive x direction, negative x direction, positive y direction, and negative y direction, not in other direction. Okay. Now, as soon as I uh, switch off this auto mode, now see, I can move this drawing in all angle at any angle. Can you see? Now just click on here. Our drawing is coming. Okay. Okay. Somebody have asked me one thing. Probably answer. Good. Use a precision. See, precision is what? Suppose you want to draw. Okay, I'll show you an example. Okay. For now, let's go here. Unit. So suppose my length precision I'm taking as 0 for now. Okay. I'm taking my length precision as 0 and okay. Now if I want to draw any line, same line. I'm going to draw a line taking the same auto mode on. Suppose 10 centimeter. So I'm clicking on 10 centimeter. It's okay. It's done. Okay. Fine. Now if I ask you to draw 10.5 centimeter line, then let's see if I am able to draw this. So I'm clicking on this. Okay, before that, let's check the dimension also. Okay, wait. I'm clicking on this linear 10 centimeter. Okay. Now if I want to draw a line having 10.5, that's 10, 1, 5. Okay. It is coming as 10.5 anyway, but can you see when I click on this, wait a second. Okay, now can you see? Actually, since we have clicked on this the decimal 00, that in decimal 0, so it is not possible to draw a decimal diagram. That means if I fix it 0 decimal precision, so by default it's taking 11, not 10.5. Although we have clicked on 10.5, but it's coming as 11, right? Fine. So this is the thing. Now suppose I want, if that's why it's based on your drawing. Suppose in your diagram that you want to draw here, some decimal values are given. Suppose 10.5 or 10.25. Suppose you have a maximum decimal value in your drawing is 2 decimal. You have to click on this 0.00 so that you can draw this particular drawing. Suppose you have a 0 decimal based on your drawing. You have to click on this 0 decimal. Okay? This is a very basics mathematics. Okay, you understand? Very good. Okay, so let me first delete this. Okay, chalo, let's close this class for today. Okay, so next class also we're going for a revision class. Okay, whenever we meet next class, again we'll go for revision class. With this, slowly I'll move on to the new things. Fine. Although there is a lots of tools are there, it's not possible to cover all the tools, but my target is to make you understand the basics. Okay, so with this I just want to close my sharing. Okay, fine. So I have already taken the snap of your attendance, so don't worry about that. Okay, chalo.
Yes, sir.
So yeah,
Thank you, sir.
you can leave the class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.